Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add discount codes to your Shopify store, helping you boost sales and attract more customers. So, by leaps and bounds, let's dive right in. Okay, first of all, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're seeing your website dashboard. To see and add discounts, go to the left panel and here click Discounts. Now you can see that I don't have any discounts in my store. Okay, to create a new discount, just click this button right here. Now these are the types of discounts Shopify offers. The first type of discount is amount of products. This type of discount lowers the price of products. The second one is amount of order. This type of discount lowers the price for an entire order. The third one is buy X get Y. This type can be used for offers like buy one and get one for free. And the last one is discount for free shipping. So everyone who uses this discount gets free shipping for their order. We are starting with the first one, amount of products. So we select this. And this is the panel where we create our discounts. This is the part where we set up our discount, and this is the part of information about the discount. Okay, let's start to create a product discount. The first thing we have to do is to select the method of our discount. There are two discount types, discount code and automatic discount. Discount code is a code that customers enter at the checkout phase. An automatic discount is a discount that automatically applies to the checkout of customers. Now let's add a discount code. Here you can name the discount code however you want or generate a random one. But it's not recommended to generate discount codes because for customers it will be hard to keep that in mind. So let's type our own discount code. Usually discount codes are named based on your offer you're promoting. So for example, if we are promoting spring sale, we name the discount code as spring sale 10 for 10% off. Now I think this could be a nice discount code for my store. Though this is the first step. The second step is to set the value of discount code. You can set the value by percentage or fixed amount. If you set the value of your discount code by percentage, you have to set the percentage too. So for this discount, I will set it by 10. Now you can see that the information of our discounts are updating here. Now let's set up the application of our discount code. I want this discount code to apply for just two of my products, so I will search products and select the products I want discount code to be applied. I click add, and now discount code will only be applied for just these two products. Here you can set the minimum requirements from your customer to apply the discount code. I don't want to set them, so I click no minimum requirements. In the next section you can set up the customer eligibility. This simply means that who do you want to use your discount code. So you can set this for all customers, specific customer segments, browse them, and select customer segments that can use this discount. For example, customers who haven't purchased, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, or just email subscribers. Also, you can select specific customers and search for customers in your store. For now, I just want that my discount to be available for all customers in my store. In the next step, you can select the limits of your discount. If you want to limit the number of times the discount can be used, just select the first option and type the number of times the discount can be used. In this example, I want to limit the number of uses at maximum 2 times. In the next step, you can select if this discount can be combined with other product discounts or shipping discounts. I don't want this discount to be combined with other products or shipping discounts, so I leave them blank. And in the last section, you set the start date and start time of your discount. So I want the discount to start at 1st June of 2023 at 8 a.m. You can set the end date also. Just click this option here and set the end date and end time of your discount. So I want this discount to end at 8th of June at 8 p.m. Okay, this is the overview of our discount. You can see the details and type and method. For this discount, I'm using it for an online store and 10% of 2 products. I didn't set any minimum requirements, and this discount will be used by all customers, but the limit is 2 uses. This discount can be combined with other discounts and will be active from June 1st to June 8th. Okay, to save the discounts, just click this button here, save. And as you see, the discount is created successfully. So go back to discount, and you can see that our new discount is listed at the discounts of Shopify. Now let's add a new discount. Click create discount button. And now our new discount type we're gonna use is amount of order. So click on it. Most of the settings of this discount type are the same as the product discount. I want to name this discount code of 15 to mean that there is a 15% discount. I will set the value 15%. I don't want to set minimum requirements. I want this discount to be applied only for specific customer segments. So I click browse, and I want this discount to be applied only for customers who abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days. So I select this and click add. I don't want to set maximum discount uses, and I don't want any combination of this discount with other discounts. The active date, I want to set it from today to the 5th of June. Now you can see the summary of our discount. This discount will be a 15% off entire order. It doesn't require any minimum purchase, only for abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days. It doesn't have any usage limits and can combine with other discounts. So I click save, and I go to discounts. Now you can see that I created a new entire order discount and it's active. Now let's add another type of discount. Click create discount and select buy X, get Y. Now this discount can be very interesting. We can use this product discount to give customers free products or just discounts, but only when they purchase the order in the way we want. I want to name this discount free stuff. And here you have a section where it says customer buys and customer gets. Here we will set what the customer have to buy to win the value of discount code. So here you can select the minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. We will go with the minimum quantity of items. So I want to structure my discount this way. If customer buys 2 products, I want to give them 1 for free. So I want the customer to buy 2 quantity of specific product. And I want to search product, and I select this product. Click add. And if customer buys 2 of these products, I want to give my customer 1 specific product, and I click browse, and I click this second product. Click add, and at the discounted value I want to set this free. So when customer buys 2 of these products, the customer will get these ones for free. You can also set when customer buys 2 of these products, he will win a percentage discounted value of this product, but I will give them for free. Set a maximum number of uses per order. I want this discount code to be maximum uses of 1, and this will work for all customers. I will limit the maximum discount uses for 1 use per customer. And also I don't want this discount code to be combined with other discounts. I will make it active immediately, And you can see here the details and the summary of our discount. This discount will work when customer buy 2 items, it will get 1 item for free. And customer can use just 1 use per order. And maximum use per order is set to 1. This will work for all customers and can combine with other discounts. So click Save and go to Discounts. Now you can see the 3rd discount is added successfully. Now let's go and add the last type of discount by clicking Create Discount and click Free Shipping. This is a shipping discount. Okay, this discount is a discount code that gives the customer free shipping for their order. So let's name this discount Free Shipping. In the second section, you can set the countries you want to get free shipping when they use this discount code. You can select all countries or choose selected countries and select only the countries you want to get free shipping. For this example, I want to set free shipping only for Switzerland, Germany, and France. Click Add. Now you can see only the 3 countries will get free shipping if they use this discount code. I want this discount to have a minimum requirement, so I want to set if the purchase amount is 100 euros, they will get a free shipping for their order. This will work for all customers. And I want to combine this with other product discounts. I will make it active from 1st June at 8 a.m. and set an end date to 7th June at 10 a.m. Save discount and go to discounts. Now you can see that we added 4 types of discount in our store. And guys, this is all what we got for today. Remember, adding discounts isn't just about slashing prices, it's about strategically using them to attract new customers, retain existing ones, and ultimately drive your business forward. So take a moment to consider your target audience, your goals, and the unique value your products bring to the table. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, I wish you success and happy selling with Shopify.